Hi everyone, my name is John with Patient Technology at CS Mott Children's Hospital. Today, I'll be showing you how to build a Lego Parrot. Here are all the pieces you need to build this parrot. Okay everyone, to start, we're going to need our orange 2x4 brick, this one right here, and our green inverted slope. To start, we're going to take our green inverted slope and put it right here on top of our orange brick. Next, we're going to get another green inverted slope and put it right next to the first one. Next, we're going to take our orange block, put it right here behind our green pieces. And now we're going to get another orange block and put it right here in the middle underneath that first orange block. Next, we take our 1x2 brick with studs on the side and put it right here in between our green and orange brick. And then we take our orange 2x2 brick and put it right next to that green piece. And now we get another 1x2 brick with studs on the side right next to that orange. Now we're going to get our inverted slope and put them right next to each other up here on the front. Now we're going to get our last orange 2x4 block. That's going to go right up here. And now we're going to get our dark gray bracket. That is this thing. And it's going to go right up here in the middle, facing back towards the parrot's tail. Next, we're going to put another bracket on facing forward. Now we're going to get our turquoise 2x2 round, and that is going to go right in between, locking these brackets together. Now we're going to get two more of our 1x2 bricks with studs on the side, and that goes on top of our round brick. And I broke it. There we go. Now we're going to get this thing, and it's going to go right here on the top. If you have a better name for it than thing, please let me know. Now we're going to get our jumper. That's what this is called. And one is going right here. And the other is going right down here. And our next step, we're going to do the same thing to the other side. Next, we're going to get another one of our turquoise round, and it's going to go right here on that bracket. And now we're going to give our parrot a beak. And we're going to give him some cool head feathers. One right here. The other right here. Now it is time for the eyes. So one is going to go right here. The other goes on this side. Now we're gonna give him some super cool fancy tail feathers. There we go. Now we're gonna give him some extra feathers back here. There we go. Now we're gonna get another one of these, put it right back here to finish off the parrot's head. Now we're going to take another one of our round turquoise pieces, and it's going to go right here on our jumper plate. Now we're going to make a wing, so we can take our parrot and put him over here, and we're going to get one of our big green pieces right here. I'm going to take this green piece and this turquoise piece. This goes right in the middle. And next, we're going to get one of our big pink curves, and that's going to go right here on the end. Now we're going to get another big pink curve, put it right here on our round turquoise piece. And that gives us our first fancy wing. Alright. Next, we're going to put another turquoise piece right here on the side. And we're going to make ourselves another fancy wing. So we're going to get our green plate and our round. This goes right in the middle. Next, we're going to use our round pink curve, one on the very end, and one right on top of our turquoise piece. And that gives us our second wing. So it's almost done. We have a few more pieces left. So next, we're going to flip our bird upside down, and we're going to use our pink 1x4. And this is going to go right here, one bump back from the front. And now we're going to take these little guys and we're going to put one right here, and one right here. And that gives our parrot its little feet. And we're super close to being done. Our last step is a final tail feather right here on the bottom, and that gives them some support to stand up. And after that, you have your parrot.